Happy Mother's Day. Today, let us all come together and make sure to shower enough love and gratitude on our mothers. And let us all celebrate this wonderful day dedicated to the most wonderful human being of our lives. Mothers are not just our role models or saviors or the permanent shoulder to cry on, but they are also our loudest fans, our moral support, our inner strength, and of course, our first teachers. Mothers are the ones who shape our personalities, define our roles, nurture our lives, and develop us into human beings we become years later on. Well, mothers truly are the angels sent by God to put us on the right track and teach us everything for our survival. In our most important journey called life, we depend upon our mothers right from the start. But in the process of learning and growing, we forget to value their immense contributions to our lives. We forget to shower them with love, pay them respect, share how we feel about them, and most importantly, take care of them. So, let us all make wise use of this special day dedicated to mothers and give our best to make it as special for them as possible. So, why not dedicate one day of our lives to honor the real God of our destinies, societies, and lives? The US started the trend of celebrating Mother's Day in 1905. Anna Jarvis from the United States of America was the founder of Mother's Day. Every country celebrates Mother's Day on different days and in different ways. There are different ways of celebrating Mother's Day in different countries, such as France celebrates the day by presenting gifts and flower-shaped cakes to mothers. Nepal celebrates it by following a ritual to look upon the mother's face. The US has declared it a national holiday, and so on in India. The day is celebrated among individual families or societies. Schools also organize competitions and programs. However, it is not a national holiday. The day is all about making our mothers feel special through various gestures, thanks, and most importantly, our presence. Expression of gratitude, love, care, affection, respect, and value are the most beautiful ways of celebrating the day with our mothers. Here are some beautiful lines about mothers. In all the world, there is no heart for me like yours. In all the world, there is no love for you like mine. Motherhood, all love begins and ends there. No man is poor who has a godly mother. All that I am or hope to be, I owe to my angel mother. God could not be everywhere, and therefore He made mothers. It is our duty to take care of our mothers and to respect and love them. Mother's Day is celebrated to make our mothers feel special and shower all our love on her. Though it is celebrated on the second Sunday of May every year, yet we should celebrate every day as Mother's Day to make our mothers feel special. She is the most adorable and lovable person in this world. Her prayers and good wishes are always there with her children. So friends, we should always love and respect our mothers and her thoughts. It is our duty to take care of our parents when they get old, as they did in our childhood. A mother is the one who fills your heart in the first place. A mother's love for her child is like nothing else in the world. A mother's arms are more comforting than anyone else. A person having mother can never be poor. Only a mother knows what her child needs. A mother gets tired, but still she smiles. A mother always smiles like a flower and never becomes hopeless. Mothers are the most selfless people on the planet, beginning to love their children even before they are born. Nothing in this world compares to a mother's love, since it is the purest kind of love. Mothers are guardian angels for their children, always loving and supporting them. Mother is lovable, truthful, beautiful, responsible, respectable, humble, blessed, and bold. My mother is an ordinary woman. She is my superhero in every step of my life. She supported and encouraged me. Whether day or night, she was always there for me, no matter what the condition is. Furthermore, her every work, persistence, devotion, dedication, conduct is an inspiration for me. Mother's Day is not just a date on the calendar. It's a celebration of the love, sacrifice, and unending support our mothers shower upon us. It's a day to pause, reflect, and express our deepest gratitude to these incredible women who shape our lives in countless ways. So, happy Mother's Day! Thank you for joining us on Ahem Quotes. Please like, share, subscribe Ahem Quotes channel. Until then, stay motivated, stay inspired, and stay amazing.